What if one tiny, crunchy green could supercharge your gut, fight cancer, detox your body, and sharpen your brain, all at once? Imagine getting all that from something you can grow on your windowsill. That's the broccoli sprout secret, and today, we're uncovering what happens when you eat them regularly. Hey friends! Welcome back to the channel where we break down science-backed nutrition in a fun, easy-to-understand way. Today, we're diving deep into broccoli sprouts, the mighty, bite-sized green superheroes. We'll explore what happens inside your body when you make them a regular habit. Ready to discover why these little sprouts pack such a powerful punch? Let's get into it. 1. Nutrient-dense powerhouse. Broccoli sprouts might look delicate, but nutritionally, they're a heavyweight contender. They're packed with a concentrated supply of vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that your body can readily absorb and use. While they're tiny compared to fully grown broccoli, they contain a far greater density of certain beneficial compounds. One standout is sulforaphane's precursor, glucoraphanin, present in much higher amounts in sprouts than in the mature vegetable. This compound becomes active during chewing or blending, setting off a chain reaction that supports your body's defense systems. You also get generous doses of vitamin C, which strengthens your immune response, and vitamin A, essential for healthy vision and skin. The calcium they provide contributes to strong bones and proper muscle function, while iron supports healthy red blood cells and oxygen transport. In addition to these well-known nutrients, broccoli sprouts contain dietary fiber that helps regulate digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied longer. They also provide plant-based proteins, giving your cells the building blocks they need for repair and growth. Because these nutrients are delivered in a living, raw form, they're especially easy for your body to break down and put to use, making each serving a compact source of high-quality nutrition. 2. Cancer-fighting and antioxidant effects. One of the most remarkable qualities of broccoli sprouts lies in their natural defense chemistry. These tiny greens are loaded with bioactive plant compounds that your body can use to protect itself from cellular damage. At the heart of this benefit is sulforaphane, a compound that activates your body's own detox and repair systems. When sulforaphane is formed, usually through chewing or blending, it turns on a set of protective genes that help neutralize harmful substances before they can damage your cells. This process isn't just about killing bad cells. It's about creating an internal environment where abnormal cells have a harder time growing and spreading. In laboratory studies, sulforaphane has been shown to slow the growth of certain cancer cells and even encourage them to self-destruct through a process called apoptosis. Beyond that, broccoli sprouts are a rich source of antioxidants, which are like bodyguards for your cells. These compounds patrol for unstable molecules called free radicals, byproducts of stress, pollution, and even normal metabolism, that can harm DNA and speed up aging. By keeping free radicals in check, the antioxidants in broccoli sprouts help protect tissues from long-term damage, which is a crucial factor in lowering your risk for multiple chronic diseases, including cancer. 3. Supports detox and liver health. Your liver is like your body's built-in chemical processing plant. It filters toxins, breaks down waste products, and helps process nutrients from food. Broccoli sprouts give this hard-working organ a noticeable boost. Their sulforaphane content stimulates the production of phase 2 detoxification enzymes, which act like specialized cleaning crews inside your liver cells. These enzymes latch onto harmful compounds, including environmental pollutants, heavy metals, and byproducts from food, and prepare them for safe removal from the body. This isn't a short-lived effect. Regular intake of broccoli sprouts can help your liver maintain a more efficient detox cycle, meaning toxins are dealt with faster and more thoroughly. They also support the breakdown of excess hormones, especially estrogen, into forms that are easier for your body to eliminate, which may help with hormone balance over time. On top of that, sulforaphane has been linked to reducing inflammation in the liver itself, protecting it from damage caused by oxidative stress. Think of it as not just cleaning the factory, but also repairing and maintaining its machinery so it works smoothly for years to come. For anyone exposed to daily pollutants or processed foods, adding broccoli sprouts is like giving your liver a set of premium tools to handle its job more effectively. 4. boosts brain and mental health. Your brain thrives when inflammation is low and nutrient supply is steady, and broccoli sprouts deliver on both fronts. Sulforaphane, their star compound, can cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning it's able to directly influence brain tissue. Once inside, it activates protective pathways that reduce oxidative stress, a major factor in age-related cognitive decline. This helps safeguard brain cells from the slow damage that can lead to memory loss and neurodegenerative diseases. Animal and early human studies have shown that sulforaphane may support the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein essential for creating new neurons and strengthening connections between existing ones. Higher BDNF levels are linked to better learning, sharper thinking, and improved mood regulation. Beyond long-term protection, broccoli sprouts may also offer short-term benefits for mental well-being. Research suggests that sulforaphane can help lower markers of brain inflammation, which are sometimes elevated in mood disorders such as depression. In some studies, individuals with autism spectrum disorder experienced improved social interaction and reduced irritability when sulforaphane-rich foods were introduced into their diet. In essence, these sprouts don't just feed your body. They also nourish the very organ that controls your thoughts, emotions, and behavior. 5. Enhances gut and digestive health. Your digestive system is home to trillions of microbes that influence everything from nutrient absorption to immune function. Broccoli sprouts provide compounds that help shape this inner ecosystem in a positive way. Their high antioxidant content, particularly sulforaphane, creates an environment where beneficial bacteria can thrive while reducing conditions that allow harmful bacteria to overgrow. One of the most notable benefits is their ability to help the body manage Helicobacter pylori, a bacteria linked to ulcers and stomach irritation. Studies show that eating broccoli sprouts regularly can lower levels of H. pylori and reduce inflammation in the stomach lining, making it harder for the bacteria to survive. The natural fiber in broccoli sprouts also plays a key role. It acts as a gentle prebiotic, feeding the good microbes in your gut so they can produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. These compounds help maintain the integrity of your intestinal lining, reduce inflammation, and support smoother digestion. Over time, this combination of antibacterial action and prebiotic support can lead to a more balanced microbiome, better nutrient absorption, and a noticeable improvement in digestive comfort. 6. Heart health and metabolic benefits. Your heart and metabolism are deeply connected, and broccoli sprouts deliver advantages for both. The sulforaphane they contain helps protect the endothelium, the delicate inner lining of your blood vessels, by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. When the endothelium is healthy, blood flows more smoothly, lowering the risk of high blood pressure and arterial stiffness. Broccoli sprouts also support healthier cholesterol balance. Regular consumption has been shown to reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglyceride levels while supporting HDL, good cholesterol. This shift not only improves blood lipid profiles but also decreases the buildup of fatty deposits in arteries, a key factor in preventing atherosclerosis. On the metabolic side, sulforaphane influences how your body handles sugar and fat. It can improve insulin sensitivity, helping your cells use glucose more efficiently and keeping blood sugar levels steadier. This is especially important for people at risk of type 2 diabetes or metabolic syndrome. The anti-inflammatory effects also mean your body spends less time in a state of chronic stress, which can otherwise strain the heart and slow down metabolism. Over time, these combined benefits create a stronger cardiovascular system and a more efficient energy-burning process. 7. Potential downsides and safety. While broccoli sprouts are packed with benefits, it's important to know that they come with a few cautions. Because they're grown in warm, moist conditions, ideal for both plants and bacteria, they can occasionally harbor harmful microbes like E. coli, Salmonella, or Listeria. Eating contaminated sprouts can lead to foodborne illness, which may cause nausea, stomach cramps, or more serious complications. This risk is higher for pregnant women, young children, older adults, and anyone with a weakened immune system. For these groups, cooked sprouts are the safer option, as heat can destroy most harmful bacteria. Another consideration is their content of goitrogens, naturally occurring compounds that can interfere with thyroid hormone production when eaten in very large amounts. For most people, this isn't an issue, especially if broccoli sprouts are just one part of a balanced diet. But for individuals with existing thyroid problems, it's wise to monitor intake and consult a healthcare professional. Lastly, sulforaphane and other plant compounds in broccoli sprouts may interact with certain prescription medications, particularly blood thinners or drugs that affect blood sugar. That's why it's a good idea to check with your doctor or pharmacist before adding large amounts of sprouts to your daily routine. Being aware of these factors ensures you can enjoy their benefits while keeping any potential downsides in check. 8. Easy to eat and grow. One of the best things about broccoli sprouts is that they're not just nutritious, they're also incredibly accessible. You don't need a garden or special equipment to enjoy them fresh. With just a jar, some sprouting lids or cheesecloth, and broccoli sprouting seeds, you can grow them right on your kitchen counter. The process takes only 3 to 5 days, and because you control the growing environment, you can ensure they're fresh and clean. When it comes to eating them, broccoli sprouts are extremely versatile. Their mild, slightly peppery taste pairs well with many foods without overpowering the dish. You can toss them into salads for a crisp bite, layer them onto sandwiches and wraps for extra crunch, or blend them into smoothies to boost nutrition without changing the flavor much. Lightly steaming them is another option, which helps retain most of the beneficial compounds while reducing any microbial risk. For long-term use, you can also keep freshly harvested sprouts in the refrigerator for up to a week in a breathable container or produce bag. This makes it easy to sprinkle a handful into meals every day. Whether you buy them from a trusted store or grow them yourself, broccoli sprouts are one of the simplest superfoods to incorporate into your daily life. In conclusion, here's a quick recap of what happens to your body when you eat broccoli sprouts regularly. 1. You get a nutrient-rich, highly bioavailable boost of vitamins and sulforaphane. 2. You support powerful anti-cancer and antioxidant activity. 3. You enhance detoxification and liver health, including hormone clearance. 4. You support brain and mental health, reducing risks of neurodegeneration. 5. You improve gut health and digestion. 6. You boost heart health and metabolism, lowering cholesterol and inflammation. 7. You must remain mindful of safety, practicing proper handling to avoid contaminants. 8. You can easily incorporate or grow them at home for daily use. And there you have it, one tiny, crunchy green that packs a mighty punch for your health. Thanks for sticking around to learn why broccoli sprouts deserve a regular spot on your plate. If you found value in this breakdown, please hit like, comment your favorite healthy microgreens, and subscribe for more deep dives into functional nutrition. Until next time, eat smart, stay curious, and take care of your body. See you soon.